Hi, this is just a super quick tutorial. I just want to show you how I make circles in my linoleum here. I have a little piece of block that my dog chewed on, so it is not pretty but great for a sample. And what I do is I take my curved blade. If you can see that, it's not super big. I put it down on the edge of my circle, and then I just twirl. And when I've made a complete rotation, I just pop the plug out. I'll show you one more time. Put it down, twirl. I don't know if you can see this quite clearly, so I'm going to pull it up here and show you. When I am turning in a circle, I am not turning with the tool completely straight up and down. It is at a slight angle, just so slight that that blade is the leading edge. So, where's my cut? My cut's here. Slight rocking angle, slight rocking camera, and then just twist it around. Oh, make sure you complete your circle before trying to pop the plug. But anyway, that is how I make tiny little circles. I mean, obviously it is dependent on the size of your blade edge, but this just happened to be good for what I was working with. Anyway, have a great day.